I've got a Sony a7C bundle to unbox for you. Well, it's actually for me, but you get to watch. Of course, they come in their typical orange and black Sony boxes. Since most of you are here for the camera, we'll start with that. Upon opening the box, the top layer has the instructions no one reads. And the next layer has the strap no one uses. Or at least no one I know uses. It is one of the better looking camera straps I've seen though. Wrapped in one of the sleeves of plastic is the Sony NP-FZ100 rechargeable lithium-ion battery. The other plastic sleeve holds the AC adapter. Now for the camera. The Sony a7C of course has that APS-C style body from the a6000 series, though it is definitely larger than any a6000 series camera. On the side, the bottom door opens up to a few ports. The middle door opens up to the memory card slot, and the top door, apparently isn't a door at all? Wait, it is a door and it has a power input port. Oh, look at that, a flip-out screen on a Sony camera. One small step for vloggers, one giant leap for content creators. Or something like that. Take a look at that full-frame sensor that I can't seem to get into focus. Here's everything laid out, including the USB cord I forgot to mention. Now let's unbox the lens I got with the bundle. The FE24 to 105mm GOSS lens. The lens comes in this pretty cool drawstring sleeve that I probably won't get much use out of since the lens will basically always be on the camera. The lens has a focus ring, a zoom ring, a focus toggle, and a steady shot toggle. I believe I mentioned this in the a6600 unboxing video, but kudos to Sony for actually including the lens hood with the lens. Putting it all together, you get this. So much for compact. Here's a side-by-side comparison with the a6600 and its 18 to 135mm lens. Here's the Flippy screen in action. Now let's take the a7C outside and create some content.